And after them lift the thing, Pink can go home. Him could go home, none tall, until Crissy write to the judge and give them the letter or whatever. And after them free him up, he can go home.
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the family of Crissy, Samar's wife, I speak out against Samar and also I defend her name. After people are say Crissy banned out, Samar out of jail, and it sounds like she has sided with Samar against the victim. The family say no, and people are saying that Crissy has been a victim of Samar many times as well, allegedly. Now I couldn't hear what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
So I tell you this. Enough woman can go there with a man. Any young girl can go there with a man right now. And it end up that says as a big waste man. You understand? Man can't have them look dirty ways and them nah show the woman them. Them look at dirty ways where they have. Them look at pervert ways where they have. Some look at dirty ways where some man have inside of them a hide. Some look at dirty skin ways where they hide from the woman them. You understand? Right now a woman can deal with a man and the boy a fish guy and the woman no know and then they feel more than 10 years. You understand? So if Samar having look at dirty ways them, nobody bring Crissy in it. Because if Samar in there with a woman and we never see them depend on down low, they rise and make it up to a thing. So till one time, me never even realize and know say Crissy are my cousin. And when time I go a country and go link my sister them and make me know say, yo, I see that. And two, we no grow together, brother. You understand? At them time them me I realize. And a long time we used to see Samar on YouTube and make the vlogger thing them. You understand? Samar, same thing like where Terror than them and something that them a do. Where other one the name? You see me? So at that me I show some people say, yo, brother, you don't stop talking them things there, brother, because you know Crissy bring the girl come give us Samar. You understand? Nothing no goes like that, brother. You understand? Samar is just a big waste man. You understand?
Would you like somebody to do that to your kids? Or one of your daughter? That you have to ask yourself, Samar. If, and I use the word if a true, would you like somebody, a next group adult, to do that to your daughter? Or one of your daughter? How far you get it? How far you get? I'm not going to show you the logics. How far boy pick them get? So me, talk to my 4 boy pins. My 4 boys. Let me tell you something, you see? I'm telling you something. None of uno. I would never shield none of uno in the ranks. Because you see, the moment me shield uno in the ranks, I'm just as bad as uno. As a father, I will be just as bad as uno. Now shield uno no ranks. I say me leave school from me a 16-year-old. And me come up in a society. Yes, me have the hardest life. Me grow up rough, me grow up tough. Me grow up in the garrison them from Salt Spring, name it, Glendevon, Rosemount, Rose Heights. I grew up rough. Yes, but I don't choose badness. I have a scar on me for sure. Police never ever have to throw an handcuff on this and I can go 14 or Freeport. I say, I don't know why. Because I keep myself out of trouble. I find myself at work. Even though I did under age, I find myself something. And I work. I say, none of uno. None of uno now go make me look shame.
See, man, if you went to KFC, if you go buy a big deal and you go there, you find out, say, no big deal not there. You know, so when you just want to drinks and fries, me general, and move on. Why you trouble the kids' meal, brother? Or attempt to buy the kids' meal? You know, look good. You check me and check. But this is a big problem in the Jamaican society, you know. 99% of the Jamaican money, you know, they love kids' meal. Because you see two brothers set up and put the age of consent to 16. We get to find out, say, yo, the man them have no mercy with the little pitney them again. Cause 16 is still little pitney, you know. I mean, I know we bro got our way, and I think when they move the age of consent there to 16, you know, cause there's no way a big man or a man could have in a right mind. I want to go to bed with me. Brain not develop yet. You check me, and check. All if a little 16-year-old come offer you the blood clot meal, not take it because you know, say, yo, it's a baby. So you go tell a baby to go have a seat, go sit down somewhere else. You check me, and check. But I don't know where society gone, I don't know where people are gone. But them say, Mr. CMR, them say innocent until proven guilty. You check me, I go hope you're innocent, you know, me general. Cause you say if you're guilty, then if you buy your blood clot balls, cause no man not supposed to eat the kids' meal. You check me, and that's the reason why I love America. Because you see in America, your kids them get the opportunity to grow and mature and become adult before they start do adult stuff. With adult. You check me, cause in America, you can't touch the kids' meal, none at all. You check me, but in Jamaica, the taxi man them, the artists them, all the was a parliament, all of them down there eat off the blood clot kids' meal them and it no look good. It no look good. So Uncle Sam, I want you set up and fix up one year, and I want all of them get the opportunity to come and foreign, so they come up here and do this when they down at Jamaica, so they pay the blood clot fine.
Now some people say, CMR throw him life on him career. And also want to do the same thing with his actions to his wife. Because right now, women everywhere, we hear that situation, and then also I hear say, him get bail and was banded out. People assume say I'm wife band him out. Well, we don't know if same wife had a family overseas. But people assume same wife. And with just that simple assumption, some people already start blame Crissy. I said she didn't know. There's no way. And there's nothing that has been brought to the media where I said she didn't know. Instead of people assumptions, people speculations. But just the fact say, if she is still in support of CMR, I remember them have a family channel, and we hear Crissy talk of divorce before, and it seemed like them work it out. You know what I mean? Them get over it, and maybe them they get strong after that. But no, this happened. I want to know what was the definite reason why she want divorce before. Different if I want she saying on the media, but this way different. Is that something where you can't just explain away? This is like this situation. Yeah, this is something like the situations are not similar, but just the types of crime. I would say all of the women waiting a daily life, except in mother, all of them distance themselves. I'm a young Miami did apart, and when the whole thing happened, I know even a young Miami apart no more. So people are say Crissy might be distancing herself, planning to distance herself, or has already distanced herself from CMR. You don't look good though. And some people still, through them don't know the full of what go on, them are try to give CMR the benefit of the doubt, or you know, trying to say innocent until proven guilty. But them, most people are saying not like, even with them here. Some people that say them wonder if it's a prank, something for get more views, something for more people tune in to their endeavors in the media. But people are saying no, this is not something with them that do just to get more attention. This is not something we just do for clout. No, this is the biggest of clout chasers. Them not do this. The people who want internet fame. This has never been one of the route them try to go to gain internet fame. It's one of them situations that we make people are say, yo, they must stay for all these time, and if you know, say, I saw you stay. Them thing ain't do. Why not look good? And as I say, you still have people who are trying to say, let's wait to hear the full situation. You have some other people that say, based upon what they hear already, people already start to make up their mind. It's the public opinion, especially when he's a media sensation, somebody in the media. Then of course, you know it's going to play out. It's going to play out in the media. But talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, of course, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now until reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.